Joey. So you say
Oh,
Joey.
Joey.
Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning. I wanted to take my Joey. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Natembea Linet, a girl from Trans Nzoia County, all the way came to Siaya County to Raila Odinga's home. So today we have so many people here because they came just to look at the progress of the funeral. And guys, today, yeah, we have the following people. We have citizen people. We have so many people around, guys. So this is how the compound looks like. Yeah, so this is the house where Raila's father was laid to rest. So as you can see, it is locked up because we have so many people and therefore they'll be wishing to enter. So it's like it is not good when we have funeral and sometimes people come in, go out, do this and do that. Yeah, so guys, this is how the compound looks like.